Hello and welcome back to our channel. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already. Today we're gonna learn how to change Spotify location. Yeah, you can change your Spotify location. To do so, go to any web browser and search for spotify.com. Log into your account if you haven't logged in. Here I'm already logged in, so now go to the menu on the top right corner and then tap on accounts. Scroll down a bit and there you can see plan sections. Below the text free you can see join premium button. Tap on it and you'll see your interface like this. Tap on get started. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you can see my current location is Nepal. You can change it by tapping on the change country. Tap on change country and you'll see a list of countries. Search country you want to connect with and tap on the country name. The page will be refreshed. You can see to the bottom of the page the location has changed. Now you can buy premium and the location will be the same one you just chose. If you already have premium account, you can do the same by changing the plans. Basically that is all. Thank you for watching the video till the end, and if you face any problems, let us know on the comment section below. And also hit the like button if the video helped you. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon for similar contents.